Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're really trying to up your game when it comes to storage in your laptop or your computer that has a DVD-ROM spot, you can exchange it. Take it out and you can use this adapter. This is an SATA caddy that is going to be an adapter that you can put your SSD or your HDD drive that is going to help you to add more storage to your laptop without having to spend a lot of money on another drive or a higher speed and at the same time higher capacity drive. So what you do with this is that you take out the DVD-ROM from your laptop, and there are several screws that are going to attach the SSD, and it's going to attach it to the SATA adapter in your laptop, and it's going to do the job for you. You're going to get your great looks, and it's going to look like nothing even happened, because the end, it just shows that you're going to have the opportunity to have the whole DVD spot look like normal. So this drive adapter is a good job, does a good job, and it's going to do great for you. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.